In my hand, I have the Alana Mitchell PM. That is the nighttime skincare routine kit, and this includes 6 amazing Alana Mitchell products. And in this video, I'm going to share with you more on what is in here exactly and how it is best for you. I created the nighttime routine because I wanted you to know and have a step-by-step kit and guide that you could see and have products and feel 100% confident that you are doing the best for your skin. I'm usually asked and told by many women, they just say they just feel so overwhelmed. So here is a routine that you can easily use for a great value. Here I have unveiled the wonderful PM nighttime kit, and I have in here the Alana Mitchell Foaming Pumpkin Cleanser. It is great for all skin types. So you will be confident when you're washing your face, you are cleansing off all of that makeup, as well as 2 of my fabulous sponges. These cleansing sponges are out of this world, and they will most likely be one of your favorite products and you will love it. If you're traveling, this you might want to take with you and then save the other one to try out at home because you get 2 of them. Okay, those are your cleansers, and you also have a wonderful daily vitamin C moisturizer. Now this product is great for anti-aging, and you get to layer, that's right. Then you have the Night R1 Retinol Oil. So people ask me often too, which one do I do first, the moisturizer or serum? Well, you want to always do like your serum or your concentrated ingredients and products first. So after you wash your face at night thoroughly, might add you, at least twice, you're gonna apply your Night R1 Retinol Oil. Now this has amazing benefits. You can read more below. Each product is below, and you can see all the amazing ingredients and benefits and see why I put this together. It's a really good night kit, especially if you're looking for anti-aging. But so oil, vitamin C, then we have our Peptide Eye Cream. Ooh, this is an amazing eye cream. You want heavier products at night. That's why I paired together my vitamin C, the retinol, and the eye cream, because that is when your body is going into repair mode and it is healing. So it is going to make use of those ingredients to its fullest. And last but not least, I have my brightening and exfoliating pumpkin mask. There will be instructions on how to use it. This is a powerhouse as well. Wonderful exfoliation, brightening with the lactic acid and alpha hydroxy. And this is going to be used on your skin 1 to 2 times per week as a nighttime mask to give you an overall glow, to help keep your skin clear, and to help you feeling as beautiful as you know that you feel. And again, below are all these products listed, and you can look up all the fabulous benefits and ingredients in full detail on this page here. Thanks so much.